Hey, what's up, guys? We're here today replacing the speaker in my Fender Tweed Blues Junior. We have the stock Jensen in it right now, and we're going to put a Greenback Heritage in it.
Heavy magnet.
Heavy magnet, and we're worried because the heavy magnet, so we don't know if it'll fit in there. So we'll let y'all know how that turns out. And we're going to do a little sound test on it really quick. So we're going to start with the Les Paul, then move to the Strat. So
Clean first. With the Strat.
So, oh yeah, clean. So, clean, the amp sounds pretty good. But whenever you start giving it a little bit of grit, it gets...
I don't know, you can probably see me blinking.
You can see me...
Whenever
you get right here, and you just... That's awful. So, whenever like we jam and stuff, it's just cutting through everything, slicing our ears, getting made fun of by everybody. It's starting to get embarrassing. So... yeah, we're gonna see how this Greenback sounds in it. Maybe it'll be good. I hope it fits. That's my main concern. Because if not, I'm gonna have to sell it and go with like a medium magnet. So
medium magnet should fit, I would think.
Medium magnet will definitely fit. So, anyways, let's see how that goes. We're about to switch them out, and we'll let y'all know how it all goes.
We have done the speaker swap. The heavy magnet Greenback is now in the Blues Junior. And I only took about 15 minutes to do the whole swap. As you know, speaker swaps aren't the most complicated thing. And so we're going to let y'all hear.
Sounds killer. So good.
I think it sounds better.
Sounds awesome. So
an improvement. So
clean the dirty.
Yeah. We turned the gain on the amp all the way up because this speaker seemed cleaner than the Jensen, and so we were able to turn the gain on the amp all the way up, and it stays together, unlike the Jensen did. And so that's how we're running it right now. So we'll start out clean. says
sounds so
everything we
good.
wanted to say about it.
So good. Not a little biased. I don't know. We've had the Jensen for a while, and I feel like the more I played it, like the more it got broke in, it just got so much more piercing and just sharper. But this one just
It's weird.
I got this on reverb and it said it was broken in and everything. So this one just sounds so good. It's so much warmer than the other one. It's not as sharp. It's so good. But yeah, and it gets like really good like clean Hendrix tones. Like such a good speaker, man. So good.
Yeah.
Killer.
Experiment with speakers, everybody. Big
Yeah.
difference.
For real.
That's all we have to say.
Yeah.
Till next time.
We'll see you. Like the video, subscribe.